Hey, it's Jason with CasterDepot. Today we're going to view Colson's Moldon Polyurethane cast iron core wheels. These are Colson's poly-on-iron wheels. Polyurethane is bonded to a rugged cast iron core. Its hardness, or durometer, is 95A. To look at it differently, the tread hardness is roughly equivalent to the shell of a golf ball. Poly-on-iron wheels feature a maroon tread. The wheel face is flat, which allows it to have a higher load capacity. Poly-on-iron wheels are available in diameters ranging from 4 to 12 inches and in widths from 2 to 3 inches. Poly-on-iron wheels are easy rolling, durable, quiet, floor protectant, tolerant of intermittent temperatures from -45 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, resistant to chemicals and grease, and resistant to floor debris. Poly-on-iron wheels have a very high strength to weight ratio and are capable of long service under heavy loads. Depending on size, poly-on-iron wheels can support up to 3,500 pounds per wheel. Poly-on-iron wheels can be fitted with many bearing options, including Tolerant, roller, or precision ball bearings. CasterDepot has been the expert in casters and wheels since 1980. If you have any questions about Colson's Moldon Polyurethane cast iron core wheels, or if you are interested in purchasing, we are only a call, click, or visit away.